How to remove background from a signature in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to remove background in MS Word. Let's dive right in. Head over to your document. And then here I have already inserted the signature. If you don't know how to insert, then you need to go to insert in the ribbon bar and then go to picture and then select the picture from your computer. Make sure that you download it. And once you have selected the picture, just double click on it. And then on the very top left hand side, you can see remove background option. Tap on it. And then you can see mark areas to remove. You can tap on it and then use the pencil to remove the areas that you don't want. So like this, just paint the area. So when it turns purple, it means that the background of that area will be removed. And then once you're done, you just need to tap on keep changes. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Now you can just adjust it and place it anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.